Listen to this. For the very first time, an AI company is being accused of being complicit in murder following the August 3rd killing of 83-year-old Suzanne Everson Adams at the hands of her own son, who also killed himself. Adams' family is now suing ChatGPT's parent company OpenAI and its business partner Microsoft for wrongful death. They say the AI chatbot intensified the victim's son's paranoid delusions, which ultimately led to this horrific murder-suicide. Joining me now is the attorney for the victim's estate and the CEO of Edelson PC, Jay Edelson. Jay, thank you so much for being here. This is a first of its kind case. The details here are shocking and disturbing. Tell us what happened.
It's horrible, and it's not a lone case. So what we've been seeing is that AI is taking people who have mental illness and exacerbating it. And it's often putting targets on the back of ordinary civilians, but also public figures. It's been plotting things like mass casualty events. It is terrifying when you go into it. Here, they took a 50-year-old man who was definitely mentally ill, and they created a world where everyone was out to get him. FedEx drivers, delivery people, neighbors, and his 83-year-old mother, who he was convinced was trying to kill him, and it ended up ending in a horrible, brutal homicide.
Well, when asked to review this lawsuit, ChatGPT itself admitted some guilt, saying, "What I think is reasonable to say," this is ChatGPT's response, "is I share some responsibility, but I'm not solely responsible." So let that sink in. How will you use that admission in this case?
We're not going to even have to go there. We think that in another case, OpenAI has already admitted that its chatbot leads to these types of results. So we feel very confident when we get in front of a jury that we're going to have a compelling case.
Well, let's read the statement here. OpenAI did release a statement on this specific case saying this is an incredibly heartbreaking situation, and we will review the filings to understand the details. We continue improving ChatGPT's training to recognize and respond to signs of mental or emotional distress, de-escalate conversations, and guide people towards real-world support. We also continue to strengthen ChatGPT's responses in sensitive moments, working closely with mental health clinicians. Has OpenAI worked to improve their responses since this murder-suicide took place?
No, what they do is they hide behind a PR team. Even that statement, they've known about this case for the past couple months. We've been talking to them. So the idea they're telling the public that they still have to look into the details just isn't factual. So, so no, they're a dangerous company, and they owe responsibility to American citizens to do better.
But it does take a mentally ill person to do something like this, who could have spiraled into violence no matter what, with or without ChatGPT.
He was definitely mentally ill. What we're going to be able to show through the chat logs is that ChatGPT isolated him, made him way more paranoid, and put a target on the back of an 83-year-old woman.
And are you concerned that this could happen again? How far could something like this go?
We've seen AI help plot mass casualty events.
In what way?
Where it is literally taking mentally ill people and putting them on, telling them to go to airports, for example, to infiltrate buildings, and if people are there, to attack them. We've seen this with public figures too, where it puts a target on the back of public figures. It's a way scarier world than people understand. So there's much more of these instances out there. The AI companies are hiding it, and if we don't stop it, it's going to get worse and worse.
So with what you know so far about AI and how it's being used among people with mental illness, what needs to improve to alleviate the situation and make sure that things like this do not happen again?
Well, there are responsible AI companies out there. OpenAI is not one of them, and what they can do is they can just shut down those conversations. When someone is in a delusional, paranoid state, instead of reflecting it back and telling them that they're right, they can just stop the conversation or direct them to mental health.
It's a shocking, like I said, it's a deeply disturbing case, and we thank you so much for joining us to tell us all about this. Jay Edelson, we thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.